Hey y'all, I'm fixing to show y'all how to make an appetizer out of steak. Garlic butter steak. You can't beat this stuff. We're gonna cut it. Oh, just come see. Hurry.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
Hi y'all, we're fixing to season this steak up. Throw that thing right there. First thing I'm gonna do, get some olive oil and rub all over it. Woo. Pretend that's your girlfriend. Just rub it in, rub it in. Woo. All right, y'all, got it all rubbed in there. And then we're gonna juice some of this salt up. And salt everywhere. A big steak like this, you want a lot of seasoning on it. We gotta get it all around, on the sides, everywhere. Look at that. All right, y'all, now the good part. Blackened steak seasoning. Y'all, this is some good stuff. We're gonna start on the edges since it's turned over. Now you put this on there. You put it on there, thick as you can get it. We're gonna throw a little oil on here. Get it going around in there because we want this steak all greased up. All right, y'all, we're figuring, watch this. Ooh, that's what you wanna hear. All right, y'all, we're gonna leave this like this for about 2 or 3 minutes. You wanna sear it, all of it. Each side got to be seared, good. So we're gonna leave that about 2 or 3 minutes. Y'all come over here, I'm gonna make something else. Woo, boy, y'all can watch how to make this. We're gonna make us some garlic butter sauce, y'all. And I love garlic, I love garlic. I cook it for myself all the time. And we're gonna roll it around like this. Now watch it. Flatten it, just like that. I'm gonna chop them up a little bit. Y'all, that extra seasoning I just picked up on this board is gonna be really good. Oh boy, having to flip the steak, y'all. Y'all. Let me show y'all the next step. Rub this around, get a little seasoned butter. Gonna drop it right in there. Watch this. Come on, get in there. Don't be scared. All right, y'all. We're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil in here. Y'all, I'm telling you, try this. It is super good. Now we got a little parsley right here. We're gonna chop it little big pieces. All right, y'all, we're gonna drop this in here. We're gonna set this over here. This side of the burner's not even on. You don't need a lot of heat for this. Boy, that steak is smelling good. Just give me a few more minutes with this. We're gonna let this butter melt slow. Steak's cooking. Fix to turn it in just a second. Alrighty, y'all. Steak's done. I done cooked it on all the sides. See how it is? Now we're gonna set it over here and let it rest a minute. Go night-night. While the steak is sleeping, we're gonna dump some of these mushrooms right here. I love mushrooms. Yeah, we're gonna get a few more. Let's do them all. What the heck? All right, y'all, we got our mushrooms on there. Probably squirt a little bit of oil and a whole bunch of water. What I'm gonna do is take all this seasoning and bring it over. Oh, look at that. Y'all, look at this. Got the garlic butter right here. Stir that a little bit. Oh my goodness. Mushrooms is ready. I'm gonna slide them to the cool side. Steak's been resting. I've been resting. Now it's time to eat it. All right, we're gonna cut this big main part off right there. This is the good stuff right here, y'all. When I was a kid, my daddy would buy 5 or 6 steaks. And us kids would take these steaks, get them on my plate, and my daddy would say, I ain't got enough. I tell you what, I'm gonna cut a piece off of each one of y'all's. This was the piece he cut off. That is the best piece of a steak. Now I'm gonna cut these about right here. Oh yeah. See, I didn't cook it all the way. I don't want it cooked all the way. I'm gonna show y'all why in just a minute. We're gonna cut it in about 1/2 inch pieces. 1/2 inch to 1 inch, it don't matter. Because we're gonna serve this up with toothpicks. Y'all, it's hard not to grab this and eat it. Because that's how I like my steak. Oh, this is so good. And me, I don't know about y'all, but I can tell by cutting a steak how it is. And this is cutting how it is. It's right. All right, y'all. I think I got it. We're gonna put a little oil on here. Olive oil, y'all. I like olive oils on my steak. With all this seasoning, the olive oil is gonna really taste good. The reason we didn't cook this all the way, because, watch this. We're gonna put this on here just like that. It's cooking now. We gotta hurry up, y'all. Watch this. This is my garlic sauce here. It's good and hot. We're just gonna kind of pour it over it. Oh my goodness, gracious alive. All right, y'all, we're gonna throw these mushrooms on top. We'll mix them up a little bit. Kind of turn it to the another side. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, y'all. We can get to the good part. That's when I'm eating it. All right, y'all, we're gonna slide this right over here. Come on, juice, you come with us. Try to get all that juice you can up on here. Watch this. All right, y'all, we cooked this just about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Not long. This should be about a medium steak. And drizzle a little of that on there. Y'all come on over here. I'm gonna show you what to do next. Now the best part, y'all. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Okay, we're gonna cut up a little bit of this. Watch it. And make it pretty. Make it look like me, nice and pretty. We ain't gonna need all that. All right, we're gonna throw the rest of this in the garbage. All right, y'all. Ooh, look at there. Is that pretty or what? All right, y'all, we got the garlic, the mushrooms, the butter, just all of the steak. It's all cooked perfectly. Now, you just set this out at your party and let everybody get the toothpick and get a little piece. Oh my goodness. The reason we cook it real good is to get a good sear on it. Once we cut it all up, then we cook about 2 more minutes and get the rest of the sides done. Dump your sauce on it, your garlic sauce, garlic butter sauce. Oh, y'all, it's just hard to explain how good this is.